Greetings from Snake Mountain Boatworks on Thursday, November 1, 2018. Yes, you're looking at the homepage, what you typically see when you arrive at the Snake Mountain Boatworks YouTube channel. Our logo and a series of icons showing different videos that we have put up. Here, for example, is the 1946 Brightside U-22. But the problem is, suppose you wanted to see the previous 10 videos that we've put up on the 46 U-22 project. I am almost certain that your experience matches mine and your frustration level grows as it does with mine, because while YouTube is an incredible service, allows me to communicate with the antique and classic wood boat community, share what we do, share what we're doing, its search engine is beyond anemic and frustrating. Well, Snake Mountain Boatworks, working with our new web designer, Justin Perdue, has taken steps that we think will both add an incredibly important layer of value for each of you and greatly simplify the search process, and all in all deliver a better experience for you, a better information flow, and an opportunity to answer questions easily and efficiently, where now I can't tell you how many calls I get. I know this video's up there, I saw it before, I'm so frustrated, I'm just going to have to ask you the questions that I know you answer in that video. So how do we go about taking this, let's call it video soup, and turn it into a searchable, topic-specific, well-organized, convenient resource for you? Well, the answer lies in our new website. Perdue Studios has turned the website upside down, improved it in so many ways, but in particular, the most fundamental changes happen right up here with the tabs. And there are two that are key. We've retained the Our Story and What We Do tabs. We continue to have a listing of boats for sale and contact information. But here is the first of what we think are two very fundamentally important changes for you. Behind this tab is, to the best of my ability, every single how-to video Snake Mountain Boatworks has shot, collected under a topic-specific roster. So suppose you're interested in fastening planks to vintage boat hulls. You click on that link, and here is a collection of videos covering that topic. Slide the cursor back up, and you can investigate structural issues. Why is alignment critical? How do we achieve alignment? How do we create helm station seating from nothing? How do we, at Snake Mountain Boatworks, prime a lapstrake bottom? And on. How do we buff a finish? So the how-to section will allow you to scan across all of these topics and have an introductory paragraph and a series of videos covering those topics. Now, the other benefit here lies in you asking us to fill in voids in this library of videos on how to do a variety of things. And I will create a punch list, and we will do our level best in the ensuing weeks and months to shoot videos that respond to your need, and then post them certainly on YouTube, but then take those YouTube videos and post them to our website. The other major change is a cataloging, an organized library of boat-by-boat collections of videos in sequence covering various boats that have gone through the Snake Mountain Boatworks preservation process. This is still a work in progress. Mr. Perdue has laid out the structure. We presently have cataloged 4 boats. It's up to me to keep working backwards through our collection of over 500 videos and add additional boats to this roster. Penyan, Captivator, Aristocrat, the 23-foot 1957 Lineman Runabout, the 1946 Chris Craft Brightside U-22. I won't post them up here until we've finished with a boat. So under each of these links, you will be able to follow the entire process. Here's Voodoo Child, my 1953 Model 110S Runabout, and a write-up which covers everything we did, and then we take you through all that we did and shot videos for as we brought her back from good user condition to absolute, unqualified, uncompromising showboat condition. And I guess we achieved that because, as you are aware, she won the Lake Champlain ACBS Boat Show Best of Show prize in 2018. So we will continue building the preservations library. The how-to library is all but complete, but we will continue to shoot how-to videos, and particularly as we discover things. You may have noticed on the website that Flying By has a new steward, and this couple has asked us to replace her original traditional bottom with a 5200 bottom. Well, we discovered something yesterday as I started with the circa 1850. That Interlux 2000E barrier coat, we've put 5 coats on. It protects the wood beautifully. It also fights like hell to soften under the onslaught of the chemical paint remover. The bottom paint just slides right off, as has always been the case. But as soon as I finish here, I'll go back there with my Sandvik scraper and circa 1850. I've tried a couple of other strippers we have around the shop. They don't do much more than the circa 1850 does, if anything. So I hope you find value in this wholesale restructuring of the Snake Mountain Boatworks website and particularly migrating videos from our YouTube channel to organized, cataloged libraries of how-to and preservation project videos. Please let me hear from you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boatworks.